Hey everyone, Michael here with Flyzone Drones, and are you looking to get a good set of propeller holders like these for your Air 2S? Well, I might just have what you're looking for. We'll get right into it right after this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video is all about the propeller holders made by StartRc. Now I personally think that these are the best in quality and in design so far made out in the market. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick review and show you on how to properly install these propeller holders for your DJI Air 2S. So we said before, these are made by StartRc, so they were made out of the silicone and ABS plastic, and I've seen that they're very durable, perfect fit to the Air 2S. There are two different parts, so let's get into the installment. I'm showing you how to install the top and the bottom to your drone. Okay, here we have it. Here's the DJI Air 2S, and here we have the StartRc propeller holders, and they come in a nice little plastic case, and we're gonna show you on how to properly install these. Very nice. And what we're going to do is, these are the tops, they go up here, and then these are the bottom ones, and you can see that these are the bottom ones and these go on the bottom right underneath here. So let's start with the bottom ones first. So what you want to do is you want to take this and you want to first take your pops and bring them in like this into like a V shape, and you want to make sure that you put this side here first like so, and we're going to put that in like that, come up more so it locks in. So you want to start up here, so start here, come down, okay, and then you could just place these, and then you come around here and you grab this one, and then you just snap them in place and they're in. And just make sure you move them, close these up just like so, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit. They are in there. So now let's jump into the top. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these props, as you can see there, you can have them like so, and grab this top part, and you want to start here, right here, okay. As you see, it matches the molding of this plastic, matches the front part here. So what you want to do is you want to take this section and you want to start here towards the top of the arm, and you want to snap that, okay, and you want to pull this side and same this way, and you just snap it like that, and they're in. And you can see there's a little bit of play here, so that's okay. You want it to have a little play in here, as long as they don't pop out. But there you go, they're installed properly and they're safe, and they won't warp your blades. So the proper way of taking them off, all you do is pull from here, okay, just like that, and you put it down. And then this one, same way, you just want to move this up a bit, okay, and then same with this one, just like so. So there you go, there's your propeller holders from StartRc, okay, and this is the top one. So that should do it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you got some value out of this. There should be a link in the description below where to purchase these. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell on the way out, so you don't miss future videos that we'll be posting just like this one on reviews, tutorials, cinematic aerial footage, and our podcast shows. So we'd like to thank you for all your love and support, and please don't forget to hit the like button so YouTube can push this video to others. So thank you so much for stopping by, and remember, as always, follow the rules, fly safe, and happy flying. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.